Welcome to HD Bros. We're going to show you how it works. Whether your friend told you about us, you found us on social media, or you crossed paths with one of our partnership directors, we can't wait to help you win more listings. The first step in getting started is going to our website at hdbros.com. You can book your shoot or navigate to any of our other pages from the homepage. If you're unsure of what package is right for you, you can click the icons here to see what's included in each one. But don't worry, we're always here to help if you need us. Feel free to check out the other resources available on our site, like marketing tips, FAQs, and our ads if you want a good laugh. After completing your booking form, you'll receive an email from our team to confirm your request within minutes. We'll work with you to ensure that we know what you want and how to execute it. If you had a request that didn't make the booking form, our team has you covered. Our scheduling team not only books your shoot, but makes sure that you get the most out of your shoot by sending you package details and time-saving tips beforehand. All that you need to do after you book your shoot is make sure your listing is prepped and ready, and leave us a lockbox code if you choose to not be on site. Leading up to your shoot, we ask that you let us know of any changes or cancellations with at least a 24-hour notice. The day of your shoot, you can expect your photographer to arrive on site 5 to 10 minutes before the scheduled appointment time. We'll check in with you, go over the services being completed, and what you can expect while we're there. Don't forget to turn on all lights, turn off all ceiling fans, and open or pull up any blinds before we begin. We'll be on site for roughly 45 minutes per service booked. To make your shoot run smoothly, we ask that you prep your listing accordingly and ensure your photographer has room to work free of additional guests. Once the shoot is completed, our photographer will let the on-site contact know the service is complete. If there's no on-site contact, we will lock up and leave the property how it was found upon our arrival. Your photographer sends your content to our internal media department. Our media team edits, packages, and sends your content to you by 5 p.m. the day after your shoot. They're also your point of contact for any post-shoot edit requests or content needs, such as virtual staging and branding requests. Once you receive and download your content, it's yours to make the most of. Feel free to utilize the tips and tricks on our YouTube channel for publishing your content on social media. We can't wait to see you win more listings, and we're looking forward to your next shoot.